Hey guys, today I'm going to clean my Glowforge machine with you. You can see this top is really dirty and dusty. I have been cutting a lot of MDF, so that leaves a lot of dust and grit. You can see my camera lens is dusty there, and then my camera lenses over here are really dusty as well. So I'm going to get those things cleaned up. And I just wanted to show you kind of my step-by-step process. I'm going to do it on a time lapse, so you don't have to sit here and watch me clean my entire machine for an hour. But I thought I'd let you know so you can take a peek at how. So when I first start, I always start with the top of my machine first. You can see it's super filthy, and then so that all the dust falls, and then I do the tubing. And I know some people don't prefer to do the tubing, but I do because I feel like it's a fire hazard. And then work on my lenses. Be careful so you don't touch any of your lenses in your machine because that could damage the lens, of course. And then I take out my crumb tray and I kind of dump it out, shake it off, get rid of any loose stuff in there. Now, it looks a lot cleaner. I still have some streaky marks from my wipes, but it is way better than it was before. My lenses are clean. Everything in here is clean. It looks way better. I did do the tubing, which I know some people think it's no big deal if you do or you don't. I prefer to do it because it just gets dusty, and I am afraid of the MDF starting on fire. So thank you for watching, and there is my pile of wipes that I have used to clean my machine. And like I said, I can link in the comments below what wipes I get, but these are the ones I get, and they are super affordable.